Hey everyone, it's time for January's edition of PEG Update. We kicked off the new year with some fun projects, and here are a few of the highlights. We continued producing graphics for Akron Zips basketball. We worked closely with Akron's athletic department, creating the graphics that you see on the Rhodes Arena video and LED boards all game long. Also in the sports world, we continued our hockey productions for the USHL's Youngstown Phantoms. We put on the video board show and create all the graphics and videos for their home games. On top of that, our team covered the 2013 High School Basketball Showcase at the Covelli Center, where we produced 11 games over 2 days. We even had some time to hit the hardwood ourselves to play some hoops with the PEG team. The PEG corporate video team was busy as well, working on a new video shoot with our friends at IKEA and FOMO Products on a video showing off their new high-flow technology. This project included an on-site multi-camera shoot as well as motion graphics and editing. We also got in some great new equipment that will enhance our ability to deliver high-quality video and graphics. One of these new toys is Sony FS700 camera with L-series lenses. This camera can shoot slow-motion video at up to 960 frames per second. We also added a new custom-built computer that will be used to create high-end 3D graphics for both our corporate and sports clients. That's your monthly look at some of the exciting projects we've been working on here at PEG. Thanks for watching January's edition of PEG Update.